but that's okay. You want me to be a funny face? Okay, but this way, I'm just at Auntie Judy's. We're gonna do a commercial later. But I don't like this! I don't like this! I keep saying that, that's why. This is my auntie. Shana, come up. Come on. Oh, Shana, show your face.
Hi.
That's my cousin. Now can you
Oreo,
find...
baby.
She's throwing a herb. But that's okay. I would punch myself if I wanted it.
Janelle, sing your song.
No, because I don't want like to.
Why
Because
not?
I don't like that commercial. I don't like that commercial to sing. That's not a word.
Sing because your mama's gonna watch it.
Okay, she doesn't.
She will. She will. I told her. Come on.
I screamed like this. Sorry, I just screamed.
Okay, your commercial now.
Okay, we're gonna go on the commercial.
Okay. No, I don't go on there. Just talk.
But we're supposed to go out here to a commercial.
That's why talk. Hurry up. Don't touch nothing on my keyboard.
Can we go on a movie now?
You have to say something.
You have to sing, Janelle.
Okay,
Sing.
bye.
No, sing.
Sing.
What?
Sing.
I just want to watch the video.
Sing.
I want to watch
Sing.
the video.
Okay, my name is Janelle Ray.
My name is Janelle Ray, but I'm with my nothing.
La baklamat gayam kay gayam ko kunamon. And the song, let's sing. Baklamat gayam kay
No.
gayam.
No.
Yeah,
Napanap man. Naglaan.
I want...
Tiigiti bye-bye.
Ashana, I want to...
Kawasa.
Now we have to stop.
Fight it out.
Stop it, Ashana.
Okay,
Penap na.
You're messing up my video.
Okay, lasing ka garudo.
Puulit ni hangin.
Day, awano. Sino what
Kahit
happened?
ti isa.
Nenal pasa.
Taluon.
Stop it, Ashana. I
Ashana.
hate that.
Talaka ala sa balyantay ti kantata.
Ashana,
Danger. Ala.
Ashana.
Dangerous. Nini madadaol ti ka.
Malapat.
Stop it, Ashana.
Puulit ni hangin.
Stop it kun ang kangagsangit awan sinangitan mo. Ashana na. Kumuha ko na.
You're just messing up my
Nee, it's broken. It's not crying, no.
Ashana, stop.
No, we were just making some fun here. Okay, don't touch.
Fine, you cannot use my mama's computer.
Oh, here now. You talk now. They don't want to see you sing. They don't know that. Okay. Oh, it's over.
Nabanap man.
Don't like Ashana.
Agtala ka siya na. How do you end this up?
Press the red button.
Which one? Right here?
Now
Okay.
we have to...
The show is over. Have a good day.
Nabanap man.